Search engine optimization. What is search engine optimization?
Search engine optimization is the science of improving a website to increase its visibility when people search for products or services. The more visibility a website has on search engines, the more likely it is that brand captures business. Website visibility is commonly measured by the placement or ranking of the site on search engine results pages. And companies always vie for the first page, where they are most likely to garner the most attention.
Using Google as an example, search engine results pages often feature ads at the top of the page. These are positions that businesses are willing to pay for to ensure placement on that first page. Following ads are the regular search listings, which marketers and search engines refer to as organic search results.
The SEO process aims to increase a business's organic search results, driving organic search traffic to the site. This enables data marketers to distinguish between traffic that comes to a website from other channels such as paid search, social media, referrals, and direct, and the organic search traffic. Organic search traffic is usually higher quality traffic because users are actively searching for a specific topic, product, or service for which a site might rank. If a user finds that site through the search engine, it can lead to better brand engagement.
How does SEO work?
While there is a way to maximize results, it is almost impossible to fully manipulate search algorithms. Businesses often look to the shortest path toward ideal results with the least amount of effort, but SEO requires a lot of action and time.
There is no SEO strategy where something can be changed today with the expectation of clear results tomorrow. SEO is a long-term project, with daily action and constant activity. Search engines use bots to crawl all website pages, downloading and storing that information into a collection known as an index.
This index is like a library, and when someone searches for something in it, the search engine acts as the librarian. The search engine pulls and displays relevant information from the search query and shows users content related to what they were looking for. Search engine algorithms analyze web pages in the index to determine the order those pages should be displayed on the search engine results pages.
What algorithms evaluate for search engine optimization? There are hundreds of factors that go into what content from the index gets displayed into SERP. However, they bubble up into 5 key factors that help determine which results are returned for a search query. Number 1. Meaning of the query. To return relevant results, the algorithm needs to first establish what information the user is searching for. This is known as intent. To understand intent, the algorithm is looking to understand language. Interpreting spelling mistakes, synonyms, and that some words mean different things in different contexts all play into the algorithm understanding searcher intent. For example, search engines would need to be able to distinguish between bass as a fish and bass as an instrument. Intent would be based on additional search terms, historical search, location search, and more to display the correct information. Number 2. Relevance of web pages. The algorithm analyzes web page content to assess whether the sites contain information relevant to what a user is looking for. This comes after intent is established. A basic signal for relevance would be if the web page includes the keywords used in the search. This includes showing up in the body copy or page headings. But beyond keyword matching, search engines use aggregated interaction data to determine if the page is relevant to the search query. This looks at anonymized data from previous searches to match the page with the query. Number 3. Quality of the content. Search engines' aim is to prioritize the most reliable sources available. The intelligence built into the algorithms can identify which pages demonstrate expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness in relation to the intent. Number 4. Usability of web pages. Web design and accessibility play a big part in search rankings. The algorithm looks for how the site appears in different browsers, if it's designed for different device types such as desktops, tablets, and phones, and if the page loading times work well for users with slower internet connections. Number 5. Context and settings. Search engines and their algorithms use information from past search history and search settings to help determine which results are most useful to a user at that moment. Country and location can be used to deliver content relevant to the area from which someone is searching.
For example, someone searching for football in New England would get different results than someone entering for the same query in England.
SEO benefits. Search engine optimization is an essential marketing activity to make a website or business visible on the web. But it also provides several other benefits to companies. Benefits of SEO for small business. The beauty of SEO is that anyone can do it, and it's more accessible than you might think.
Instead of paying for traditional print ads or sponsored posts, taking the time and effort to understand SEO basics, and possibly investing in a few tools, can lead to greater long-term value for your business.
Here are just a few reasons why you should consider leveraging organic search for your business. Brings in more customers through organic search.
53.3% of all web traffic comes from organic search, and 60% of marketers state that their highest quality leads come from SEO-engaged customers.
Why is that?
Because they are searching for a solution, and by being one of the top results, you are fulfilling a need.
Ranking on the first page of Google is necessary to be seen by customers.
Climbing to the top position can almost double your click-through rate over the number 2 spot. And claiming a featured snippet, top of page element, can help you jump over the number 1 spot while potentially adding a second way for customers to click into your website. The volume is there, and by ranking for specific search terms, you'll attract the right customers. And by getting your site on the front page, you make your brand highly visible and showcase that you're a trustworthy resource.